chief guests, parents, teachers, headmaster, and all my dear friends. Today, I am going to speak about National Science Day. It is celebrated on 28th February every year in India. On this day, Sir C.V. Ramanujan discovered the Raman effect in the year 1928. For this great discovery, he received the Nobel Prize in Physics in the year 2030. Science plays a very important role in our daily life, from electricity and transport to mobile phones and medicine. Science also helps us to think logically and solve problems. On this day, schools organize science exhibitions, quizzes, competitions. Students show their innovative ideas and experiments also.